Got this Ps5 in here. Customer brought it in. Tried to change the fan. Yeah, that didn't go to plan, did it? Wow, they've made a proper job of this. I don't even know whether that's even still there, but they've about ripped the wire out of it as well. Awesome. Well, there's a tiny little speck of copper left there, look. Right at the end. So I could probably solder to that. Right, I've epoxied it onto the board now. So I'm just going to wait for the epoxy to cure. Then I can run these jumpers that I've run underneath the port onto the pins. And then it'll be working again then. Next day, that's all been soldered now. And I've just run some more glue around it just to keep it in place and over the joints, but that's proper solid now. Just tested all the pins, they're all got continuity now, so put it back together. There we go. Fan works, job done. I'm going to leave it on for a little bit just to make sure it speeds up okay, but that's good to me.